Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Ring camera to Alexa for live view, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your Ring camera to Alexa for live view, start by making sure both devices are powered on. Ensure that your Ring camera is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Devices and choose the camera you want to connect. Now, tap on Device Settings for that specific camera. Scroll down and select Linked Devices. Look for the option to link with Alexa and tap on it. Follow the prompts to link your Ring account to your Amazon Alexa account. Now, open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in to your Amazon account if you're not already logged in. In the Alexa app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom right corner. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the menu. Scroll down and select Camera from the list of device types. Choose Ring from the list of brands. The app will search for your Ring camera. Once found, follow the prompts to finish the setup process. After the setup is complete, you can use voice commands to view your Ring camera's live feed. Simply say, "Alexa, show me the camera name." Your live view should now appear on your Alexa-enabled device's screen. If you encounter any issues, ensure that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. You may also need to link the Ring skill in your Alexa app for full functionality. To do this, return to the main menu in the Alexa app and select Skills and Games. Search for Ring and tap on it. Enable the Ring skill by selecting Enable. Follow any additional prompts to complete the linking process. Once everything is set up, you can easily access your Ring camera through Alexa. Enjoy the convenience of viewing your home live through your Alexa devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.